Hello, friends. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth. And today, beautiful day, sunny day, I want to talk to you about something that just went across my mind. And I've heard so many times, especially lately. It is what it is. You heard it before. It is what it is. Now, I'm going to put a question on you, and you let me know what you think. It is what it is, or it is what it was? I think that it is what it is just settling. It is what it is, and hey, can't change it. We have to accept it, whatever. Well, this is something that you really have to think about because there are things that are, it is what it is, and you can't change them. You can never say it is what it was because no matter what you do, it's always going to be, it is what it is. It's always going to be the same. And I give you an example. If you take a pear and you put it in a blender, you put a little water in it and you blend it, you're always going to get pear juice. And the same goes on with any fruit that you blend. So it is what it is. It's very valid. It's valid in a lot of things. When it comes to human being behavior, it is what it is does not cut it. Why? Because you can always be better, or you can always change things. So I think they use this with children a lot. You see a child and he's like a problem child. Most of you can relate. I'm one of them. You see a problem child, it's not doing well in school, and then the principal calls you. They want to have a meeting with their parents and everything and say, hey, what you doing with that kid? We can't control that kid. Coming over here like he owns the place, and we just, his behavior is like unacceptable. What are you doing with that kid, or what are you not doing with that kid that he's behaving that way? And then you got some parents going like, looking you in your eyes and say, it is what it is, principal. It is what it is. Well, it is what it is does not cut it for misbehavior. It is what it is doesn't cut it between what you legitimately know as right or wrong. And there's always a perspective, I understand, right and wrong, but it is what it is does not fit into that mold because when it comes to human behavior, you can always change it. You can always be better. You can always do the right thing. Now, there's another thing here. that you have to think about. It is what it is, or it is what it was, is a very real thing when it comes to human beings. Because every single hour, every single minute, every single day, you as a human being is changing every single time. And these changes is something that you have to deal with on an individual basis. You see? Because it is what it is yesterday. It's probably not it is what it is today. Because every single day of your life, there's another day that you're getting older. And with chronological age, there comes changes. So it is what it is yesterday. It's probably not it is what it is a month from now, a year from now, 10 years from now. And as an individual, you have to accept that. So, how do you deal with this? Very simple. You have to adapt to the changes. So, it is what it is. Hopefully, 5 years from now, it's not going to be it is what it is. If you take care of number one, yourself. If you keep striving. Because it would be a sorry thing, a sorry story, that if you're a certain way today, 5 years from now, you're in the same place. Because every single day, we have a chance to be better. So it is what it is. It shouldn't be it is what it was 5 years from now. Listen to what I have to say now. It is what it is. Shouldn't be it is what it is 5 years from now. Or at the same time, if you think about it, it is what it is. Shouldn't be it is what it was 5 years from now. Just a thought for you to think about. Are you still in it is what it is because it is what it was? Or are you still 5 years from now, or 5 years later, from 5 years prior, it is what it is because it is what it is? And you keep using that same excuse that you're not going to change because it's just it is what it is. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you like what you hear, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Tell me if for yourself it is what it is because it is what it was, or it is what it is because it is what it is. I hope you can figure this one out. Because if you do, you'll always strive to be a better you. And that's the whole point here. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, still living in this beautiful planet called Earth. Today with a message of it is what it is or it is what it was. You let me know.